Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential systems. Check engine oil, coolant, transfer case fluid, and tire pressures now. Once done, set parking brake and shift into neutral. This prevents drivetrain bind. If road is slippery, use 4H for higher speed traction, and for steep or soft terrain, choose 4L for torque. Make sure to engage using the vehicle's shifter or electronic knob per the model. This gets you moving safely while protecting the transfer case and differentials. Once you're on trail, focus on how you apply power. Feather the throttle to maintain momentum without wheel spin, because traction loss increases risk of getting stuck. Use low-range gears and Toyota's crawl control for technical sections. They let the truck manage torque while you steer. Shift weight smoothly, braking transfers weight forward, accelerating transfers it rearward, so make deliberate inputs. Make sure to pick lines where all four wheels have contact and avoid sudden steering changes that can unsettle the Land Cruiser. To finish, perform recovery or shutdown steps. If you're stuck, try low-range rocking, engage differential locks if available, and use rated recovery straps attached to designated points rather than tow hooks not rated. This prevents damage. After the trip, cool down the engine, inspect underbody, clear radiators, and check fluids for leaks. Finally, switch back to 2WD on paved roads to avoid drivetrain stress. If you hear unusual transfer case noises or notice leaks, stop driving and inspect. Those signs often indicate internal damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.